Hey, what's up, Theta Network coin holder? What's going on this time? The Theta Network condition is something very bad and very practical condition, my brother. So you can see a minus 3.07% in last 24 hours they were fails down. What's the reason, my friend? And what a big pump is coming soon in upcoming days, my friend. Let's get started a brand video. Please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. First of all, my friend, as you can see here, we will need to check out the last 3 days chart. So in last 3 days, you can see minus 0.98% the Theta Network price will fail us down. But don't worry, my friends. First of all, remember to after a huge pump they will fail us down. So therefore, I am 100% sure to after this fails, also they will take a very huge jump. Because every coin will moving in this circulation to after a pump, every coin will dump, and after a dump, every coin will pump. So I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time, Theta Network price will also increase, because in last 10 days of every month, every coin will completely get a profit. So therefore, it's 100% true, my friends, to in upcoming time, Theta Network will give you a very good profit. My friends, you can see after a huge pump, they will fails down, and after a huge pump, they will again fails down. So therefore, I will tell you, my friends, to every coin will moving in this circulation. So kindly holders, first of all, if you want to get a profit now, my friends, please follow my advices. Remember, I cannot make a financial video, so please research personally. But this time, I just advise you. My friends, share my opinion. So hope you understand, my friend, and hope you like. So please, as you can see, my friend, this time 6.51 USD dollar is the highest price, but the current price is 5.95 USD dollar. So it is, I think it's very big difference, my friend, in the prices. I hope, my friends, they will recover this all lost, and they will get again more and more profits, and they will easily hit now 10 USD dollar. But my friends, if they are my friend, if a holder are starting investing. So thanks for watching, my all viewers, my subscriber. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.